magical people, this video is going to be short. My friend wanted me to do an Ouija board video, but I couldn't do it because I didn't have time to get it. So instead, I'm going to just walk my dog. I'm coming. Put the dog down. Put her down. So, George, I want you to answer these questions that I'm about to ask you. Do you enjoy watching these videos? That is the number one question. The second question is, why do you watch these videos? And my last question, I only have 3 questions because it's gonna be short. So, and the last question is, do you want to be in a video? Okay, and let's just continue walking the dog. Where you going? Not me. No, stop. Don't. She got something in her mouth. Stop. Dang. You hurt that pop. Yeah, you hurt that. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. So, thank you. Bye, George. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Peace.